To the mall. I need to get some meds at the pharmacy. I also want to go to H&M to check out this bag. I saw it online on Superbly, so I want to check it in store before I can order online. I also want to go to Pep Home. I want to buy that mirror tray that I showed on my previous video, my Pep Home video. I'll link it up here. Please check it out if you haven't. So yeah, I'll get that mirror tray and I'll see what else to get. Yeah, then I think I'll also do some window shopping. I'll just check out some winter clothes, then I'll go back home. Yeah, and also my hairline is getting better, guys. The last time I did my hair, the hairdresser used gel to do my knotless braids instead of hair food, so my hair was breaking so bad. Well, it's still breaking. I think it's 3 months later, but my hair is still breaking. But anyway, my sister did my protective hairstyle, so it's really getting better. I'm also using what's the name, MPL castor oil, so I think that should help with my hairline. But yeah, it's really getting better. It was worse than this. So anyway, let me go, guys. I got from Pep Home. I got these kitchen bin liners. I got the lavender scented ones. Then I also got these. These were also part of my previous Pep Home video. Again, if you haven't watched that video, please do check it out. Then this tray was also part of the previous video. So yeah, so I'm gonna use this on the coffee table in the living room. So I do have a tray, but it's not giving what it's supposed to give, so I'm gonna change it to this one. Then for this, I have a vase, but I'm not sure if this will be enough or I'll have to add more. Yeah, but anyway, I'll see when I decorate. Then from Mr. Price Home, I got 2 items. I got these luxury soft touch fitted sheet in a size queen. I also got these pillowcases. There are 2 standard pillowcases. So these pillowcases are 90 rands. Then fitted sheet is 230 rands. This is a very beautiful color. It's really beautiful. So I used to buy like white fitted sheet, then I realized that they are not exactly practical because they get dirty on the second day. So recently I've been buying different colors. So now the last item is my bag, the star of the show. I'm kidding, but yeah, let me show you guys. How beautiful is this bag, guys? It's giving Gio vibes. It's giving Christian Dior book tote bag. Okay. Oh man, my goodness, this bag is a cutie. I am definitely going to abuse this bag, guys. I'm just letting you all know in advance. Anyway guys, that's all from me and my cute bag.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time, no.
I just got back from gym. It was a bit hectic. Actually not a bit, it was quite hectic because I haven't been to gym in like a month and 2 weeks, I think. So yeah, but anyway, I am back to gym. I hope I'm gonna be consistent this time because summer bodies are made in winter, guys. I need a summer body. Anyway, so I also passed by Spa on my way from gym. Actually, we went before going to gym to get a few items that we need. Then we also bought breakfast bowls at Kauai after gym. I'm busy with laundry. That's why there's noise. So I'm gonna go take a shower. But let me show you guys the items that I got. Then I'll go shower. So some banana. Then peanut butter. Then tinfish. Then this margarine. I'm gonna bake tomorrow. Today or tomorrow. I'll see. Then we got some noodles, some chicken noodles. Then we got some ox noodles. Very good. We got chicken feet. So yeah, that's all from Spa. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Let me go shower. Hey guys, so I haven't spoken to you guys in 2 days. It's Saturday today. I think the last time I vlogged was on Wednesday, yeah. So I'm on my way to, I've just been busy, guys. I couldn't vlog. Yeah, anyway, so I'm on my way to refill water at Oasis.